Myself Abhinav Parashar from Sunbeam School, Indranagar, Varanasi. I have created Newton's cradle. The materials used are sticks, marbles, strings, glue and tape. It's a toy named after a very famous scientist, Sir Isaac Newton. It demonstrates the principle of conservation of momentum, which states that when two objects collide, their momentum before the collision equals their momentum after the collision. In it, the force of the collision travels through each of the balls until it reaches the last ball which swings up. It is also proof of Newton's law of conservation of energy, which states that energy can't be created or destroyed, but it can change forms. Newton's cradle converts potential energy of one ball into kinetic energy that is transferred down the line of the balls and ultimately results in upward swinging of the last ball. Most common application is that of a desktop executive toy. Another use is as an educational physics demonstration as an example of conservation of momentum and conservation of energy. Thank you and Jai Hind.